fam, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Try Beauty box for August 2021. So if you were interested to see what I got in my Try Beauty box this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So before we open this box, let me tell you a little bit about Tribe. Tribe is a subscription box out of Canada. It is female owned. It retails for $34.99 every other month, but with shipping, it turns out to be like $39.99. You do get like 5 to 6 full-size products. They're typically indie brand, they're typically female-owned brands. And overall, it's just a really fun box to get. I've had this box since 2019. I paid for them all myself, and I will have a link in the description box if you're interested in subscribing to Tribe. They always seem to include really cool products. I'm rarely disappointed with this box, and I think that's all that I wanted to say about it. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so you guys get first peek. And on top, we do have a little card. This tells us all the products that we received and the prices, so we'll go over that at the end. And the first product that I see is this little brush. It has like a little wrap for your hand on one side, and on the other side it's got bristles plus these little like rubber nubbins, we'll call them. This is from W&E and it's a dry brush. It says this dry brush is made with neutral beechwood, combining rubber nodules and natural bristles to help stimulate the lymphatic system. It encourages the removal of toxins while exfoliating and soothing your skin. Use weekly. I'm actually gonna set this aside for one of y'all because I do already have a brush like this. I don't get good enough use out of mine. So I'm gonna pass this along even though it's a very pricey product. I'm gonna put this in my next giveaway. The next product in my box is this one from Julep Beauty. This is the Hint of Pink Transforming Lip Oil. Lip oils have been so trendy this season. I've just been hearing all about lip oils, and this one I believe is one of those ones that's like pH balanced so that when you put it on your lips, it like turns the perfect shade for your specific pH. So this one, it says this moisturizing lip oil reacts to your unique pH, wrapping your pout in the perfect shade of sheer pink. Swipe the super soft applicator across your lips and go. So I think I'm actually gonna set this one aside too for a future giveaway. I honestly would really like to try this product, and it's something I would normally hang on to. I definitely do struggle with dry lips as well as dry skin. So lip oils are very appealing to me to add moisture to my lips, but I have so many lippies. I have several balms in my little drawer that I have to use, and I think it would be wiser for me to set this aside for a giveaway. I did want some more lippies for the giveaway, so I'm gonna put this aside for one of y'all, and you guys let me know what you think about it, please. The next product I see is this one from Mirabella. This is the Mirabella Beauty Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. This eyeshadow primer by Mirabella features an innovative creamy formula that is easy to apply but made to adhere to lids to create a perfect canvas to hold your shadow in place all day. Sheer translucent base sustains the vibrancy of eyeshadow shades around the clock, all day and into the night. Available in one neutral shade that is suitable for even the most sensitive eyes. So this is actually kind of exciting. I haven't tried many products from Mirabella. I think I did get maybe like a lippy from them before. I'm not sure. I think I might have gotten their setting spray, which I didn't care for. But eyeshadow primer is something that I use every time I do my makeup, and it's something I can always use. So I think I might actually try this. Eyeshadow primer for some reason is like a product that's exciting to me. I always laugh at myself that I think I'm like into the most boring stuff. I like love brow products, concealer, foundation, eyeshadow primer. I love like bronzer and eyeshadow palettes and stuff too, but I get so like happy about eyeshadow primer for some random reason. But I'm excited to try this and see how it looks. I love doing really creative eyeshadow looks like the one I'm wearing today. So we'll see if this can stand up to my most beloved Eye-cing eyeshadow base from GlamLite. So we'll see how this stacks up. The next product in my box is this one from Makeup Drop. This is a body applicator. Skincare shouldn't just include your face. Treat your entire body to cleaner, hands-free approach to applying sunless tanner, lotions, masks, and more. This larger version of the original Makeup Drop helps you blend products in seamlessly with a soft silicone touch. So I actually am really intrigued by this. I have heard about these little silicone applicators, and I know they were big a couple years ago. Maybe big is a wrong word. They like kind of came on the scene a couple years ago, and I think people were really curious about them. And I think the overall consensus was that folks didn't really like them very much. They didn't seem to stick around so much, but I've never tried one myself. And even though this is intended for body, I think I'm gonna try using this on my face and see what a silicone applicator can do. I'm actually really intrigued by this product. And then the last product in the box is the one I'm the most excited for. This is the BeautyBay Life in Pastel. We did receive a BeautyBay palette from Try Beauty box before. It was their like Shades of Roses or something like that. And it's, I think, a $12 palette. Is this one $12 too? Yes, this one also retails for $12. BeautyBay create affordable palettes that are so beautiful. So definitely keep an eye on BeautyBay if you prefer more affordable palettes, because they definitely have some gorgeous, gorgeous color stories. So it does just slide right out of its little sleeve. And that's cute. The outer carton is like a rainbow pastel, and then the palette itself is pink with a little rainbow. This is so cute. Take our little sheet out. and this is the beautiful Color Story. I think this is a really pretty color story, and I really like the looks of this palette. A lot of times pastels only work on the fairest of skin tones, but the fact that this one has some deeper tones as well, deeper mattes, colorful mattes, I think this is so beautiful, and I think it can be used by a wider variety of people, which is wonderful. I think this palette is so cute. I can't wait to play with it. I would have loved this in spring, but I love color all the time. I'm super excited for this palette. Okay, now let's go over some prices. So as we discussed, the Bella Life in Pastel palette retails for $12. The Makeup Drop Body Applicator retails for $20. Our Julep Beauty Hint of Pink Transforming Lip Oil retails for $22. Our Mirabella Beauty Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer retails for $20. And our W&E Dry Brush retails for $52. So, what are my thoughts on the box this month? I think this was a really good box this month. And even though I'm giving away a couple of these products, it's not because they aren't good products or because I don't like them, it's just because I have too much stuff. And I think that these would be really cool products to pass along to one of you guys. I love the variety of products that Tribe put in the box this month. Oftentimes with subscription boxes, things seem either, too skincare heavy sometimes or too random brand heavy. And I think that this one was really well-rounded. And I just think overall it was a really cute box this month. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video.